Saturday morning here in Berlin. Right there at the Brandenburg Gate.
This is what I call picking it up. Can't you tell I'm just racing? Gang, this is the memorial to the murdered Jews, which is Berlin's Holocaust Museum. You can see it is over 2,000 stones here. And a very solemn place. Not one where you would want to be climbing on these stones or anything like that. There's no inscriptions and no words. You just kind of feel the symbolism of what it's like to walk through here. You instantly want to become quiet and just observe. We're getting into an area where the stones are twice as tall as we are, which probably isn't saying much. Row after row after row, you know, these gigantic stones. Hey guys, so we're at the what's left of the Berlin Wall, and it's kind of amazing. It's all been muraled and graffiti artists and everything else along the wall here. Of course, you can see there's quite a few tourists out here, including us, and it's really something to see. I mean, it's actually kind of beautiful, really. I mean, there's a lot of amazing artwork done. I guess they actually had the professional artists come out and do a lot of these murals on here. I'm surprised at how tall this is. It's probably 15 feet high.